Today, we're going to share a demo of Datmo, a command line interface and web portal for any developer to share and keep track of their machine learning projects. This is how collaboration in machine learning should work. Looks like a collaborator, Vivek, released a new classifier for white blood cells. This model makes it possible for a computer to tell the difference between a mononuclear and polynuclear cell, an important step in diagnosing certain diseases. I grabbed the Datmo link from his email, launch Datmo's command line tool, and clone his model. This action brings down his code, configurations, and data. It also reproduces his development environment, even though I don't have TensorFlow or Keras installed locally. Now I'm going to see what Vivek's workflow looked like by using the command Datmo session ls, which allows me to see his session. With the command Datmo session checkout, I'm now in the session he was running. I can see all the tasks he's performed associated with the weights files he created while running the task. This is called a Datmo snapshot. When training models, Datmo tracks the snapshots being generated and the stats correlated to an input configuration. Here, Datmo lists the input configuration and output stats for that task. This gives me an understanding of the input used in obtaining the listed accuracies. Now let's say I want to change the validation split to a value of 0.15 and the final layer output of the model to 4096 dimensions. I can do that and start the training process using the command Datmo task train. I can run several trainings in parallel with different parameters, and I can rerun the training. The whole time, my training is being tracked and I can see the stats associated with the input config using the CLI. I can also use my own data in this cloned repo to train and track accuracy. Datmo also integrates with Jupyter notebooks, allowing me to run experiments in the same environment that was previously reproduced. Let's wait for 5 minutes until the training gets done. The training is complete. To reiterate, all of the trainings and tracking we've shown has been run locally on my machine without ever sharing a server with Vivek. All I did was take the link to his model and clone it. After training, we have new snapshots we can see by using snapshot ls. If I want to push these newly trained snapshots to my Datmo repo so collaborators can easily grab my latest snapshots, I just use the command Datmo sync. Great! The model is now updated in Vivek's public profile. The model can easily be shared amongst other collaborators who will be able to see all the various snapshots and metadata associated with this model and these trainings in one place. Datmo. We're helping build artificial intelligence together. So check us out at datmo.io.